What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. Get my laptop right. How y'all doing this morning? All right. Let me make sure my sound coming in. If you don't know, I do these lives just to help you guys out. I also do these lives to journal my trades myself. Market is about to open in a couple seconds. Are y'all in here early? Let's go. My boy Eric in here. Good morning. So we had a little downside move pre-market. We've been moving downside right here. So we're going to see what happened right here if we hold below pre-market lows. We want to watch our pre-market lows, pre-market highs. We want to see if they can break before we take any kind of entry. We also have PMI at 10 a.m. So we want to watch out for that also. Good morning, Savage. What it do? Good morning. What else we need to watch out for? I think that's about it. We got that PMI at 10. Is it something at 945? I'm gonna have to check and see, but we can only do what the stocks want to present to us. So we're gonna chill, find us a setup. Quote of the day, what it do? Good morning. How y'all doing this morning? Mason, what it do? Good morning. Yesterday I think we hit up Tesla for about 32%. Tesla puts. Monday we hit SPY puts for like 67%. I don't know. You can go back and watch the video though, but we've had a decent week. What's up, Sean? What it do? Good morning. That boy Sean been hitting with me. Ashley, what it do? Good morning. Hope y'all having a good morning. So SPY 580 level is a hot level that I'm watching right now, but we have been moving a little toward the downside all morning, so we just want to watch and see where we can find the money at. You know what I'm saying? Calls or puts, whatever they're gonna present to us, that's what we're gonna do. So let's watch the charts. If I get a setup before our ORB breaks, I'll let you know, but we want to see our ORB levels break this morning. Garbell, what it do, my boy? Good morning. What it do? Good morning. Wednesday, March the 5th. What is it? The 5th today? Yep. March the 5th. So let's see what happens here, man. It's probably a little strong to start off. And if y'all see something I don't see, just let me know in the comments. I'll pull it up. SPY, we got QQQ. Fucking the video. I'm gonna call TradingView. There's no way them old ass levels I still on here. When I try to expand my chart, I've never fixed this shit. All right, so we got 2 wicks up here at that 570, around that 578 level. We got up to 577. That 578 level is a weekly level. So it was a little choppy yesterday. We did move from what it do, Positive Insights. Good morning. Eric say SPY had flash crash to 534 in a day yesterday. Crazy week. Yeah, I seen that. Then we kind of went back to the upside. Then we dropped back down again. News at 10. Oh yeah. News at 10. So SPY is holding his lows right here. Looks like it's trying to push to the upside a little bit. I want to see that NVIDIA breakout of, I think, that 120 level. I like NVIDIA and Meta. They have if they break all-time highs, I mean, not all-time highs, but yesterday's high, they could probably make a decent move today. Where's that Meta at? Yeah, that Meta. Said UPS. Let's see what the UPS looking like. Oh shit. Okay. Let me look at it on my bigger chart real quick. UPS. Yeah, UPS just bounced off of 200 this morning. Oh, they just bounced off that 200. Okay. All right. We're gonna keep that on the list. Now let's see if SPY gets above this 578 or gets rejected. QQQ, I'm watching at 500 level. Towards the upside, towards the downside, we have a 494 weekly level that we need to get through towards the downside on QQQ. So if we crash through 494, we might have moves to the downside. But let's see. Can't do nothing but trade what the market wants to give us. We got NVIDIA dropping down. AMD. Apple. It's a decent pullback right there. Let's see if we can drop below pre-market low. If you see this red dotted line on my chart, it's the pre-market low. That's all that is. Oh shit. Tesla pushing toward the downside. Okay. We got a little movement in the market. SPY still in a range. Google towards the downside. We got AMD. QQQ just broke pre-market low. All right. I'm on a 5-minute over here. All right, so I see QQQ. Let's see if we can get a retest or something. All right, NVIDIA moving toward the downside. NVIDIA pulled back. AMD moving toward the downside. Shit, Apple and took off. Apple is dropping off. Oh, look at Tesla. All right. Looks like charts want to go down today. Tesla breaking pre-market low. Google breaking pre-market low. Apple has broke yesterday's low of day and pre-market. See what happens though. It's a lot of volatility, volatility in the market, guys. So if we do get in a trade, um, size a little bit lighter, because if you take a L, the loss is going to be a little more because the volatility is high. I think the volatility is sitting at like 25 right now. Usually when it's around 25, you want to kind of be a little light. You just want to maintain your risk, guys. You don't want to blow up no account today. Now it looked like we got faked out toward the downside. Now SPY is getting stronger. I need to fix that in the video, boy. All right. I know some people jumped in that shit right there. We went down and came right back up. So that was a good hold, good no fake out. See, I think I say this every day. UPS going to 130. I used to jump in early. Like right now, I'd probably be in a trade a couple years ago. God damn, that shit never pulled back. He said UPS going to 130. We ain't got no pullback or nothing. Let's see what happens right here. We went down. Look like we going back up. See if we retest. Apple pulling back all the way. All right, SPY pretty strong. Not even gonna lie to you, SPY is pretty strong. What is Meta doing? All right. Yes, I want to pull back on SPY. Yeah. This is where SPY took that midday takeoff yesterday. Right about here. Right above 578. When we got up above, SPY took off yesterday. But we do have a trend line sitting right up above on QQQ. It's 9:42 on the clock. UPS still ain't really pulling back for me though. You can jump in if you wanted to, but I need a pullback. Let's see what happens right here above 578 on SPY. A nigga days trading a shiesty. I done seen it all. Hey, I wake up. What I'm gonna take my do-rag off for? I'm at my house. I ain't going to clock in to nobody's job. This is how I get my money every day. What I need to put an outfit on? Y'all want to see me in a fresh suit sitting here trading? This the relaxation of damn trading. Get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, make some coffee, come to the damn charts at my desk. What I need to be looking all clean for? This ain't no shiesty though. It's just a do-rag. And I just put my I like my hood over my head. You know, I just like to keep my ears warm. It'd be a little chilly here in the morning. Got the heat on, but I don't really like the heat blasting so hard like that. But hey, I'm showing y'all the real. This the real. I wake up and do this every day. Ain't nobody over here pump faking. This is what we do. All right, Apple pulling back. All right, we pulling back some. Oh yeah, we rejecting that. Apple 233. 233.44 is Apple weekly level. Yo, that bitch pull back right at the weekly level. All right, guys, I'm watching SPY to the upside. If we can wick right here and get back above 578, we I'll take an entry. But look at this shit right here. I like Apple puts too. If we reject right here, though, we need to reject right here. Looks like it wants to wick right here. Let's see what happens though. It just got up above 578. I wanted to take the Apple put, but we kind of bullish over here. I ain't gonna take that. I think I got drilled on Apple one day. I did that. Microsoft, Meta. Okay, let's see what happens on this next candle. 9:46 on the clock. Let me see what SPY is on. Right up above that 200. So we need SPY to get up above this 200 moving average right here. He said Tesla. A SPY call. Yeah. Hold up real quick though. I haven't loaded anything up. Let me see what happens right here. Oh shit. Load up Apple puts. 233. I'm gonna load up Apple 230 puts. All right, I took one entry on Apple puts real quick. Took a light entry on Apple puts. We got rejected at that 578 right there. I will scalp this real quick. We up 2% on Apple. Let's see if this really rejects. I'm in Apple puts right now. It's a lot of volatility in the market, guys. So go light. Go light. We might bounce back a little bit. Let's see. SPY pulling all the way back. It got rejected at that 578. I told you guys that 578 is what I was watching. I'm up 4% on Apple. Let's see what happens right here. We might bounce back and retest. If we get back up above, if we touch this 9 EMA, I'm gonna leave my stop a little wide because I'm not heavy. So if we touch this 9 EMA, I'll get out. I'm in light as hell. Just trying to see what's going on real quick. Get a little exposure to the puts. It already broke the ORB, and we moving towards the downside. There we go, right there. We up 8% right now. 9%. $230, $233 is Apple's weekly level. We up 12% right now. So we got under that weekly level. As soon as we got under, I just took one entry. If we pull back, I'll take another one. But we up 10% right now. And guys, my first entry, I use less than 5 contract. That's my first entry. Second entry, my full entry, I'm in 10. 10 is my full entry. That's just how I trade. I don't like to trade with more than a band. That's just me. Any play I get in, I don't put in more than $1,000. We up 10% right now. All right, I'm gonna take a trim right here. We're gonna leave the rest. I'm gonna take a trim right here. I didn't add because I didn't get a pullback, but we might still get a pullback. So we up 13% right now. Yeah, take your trim because it looked like we bouncing back. Stop loss, I'll move my stop loss to ORB, top of ORB. If we get back up here, I will exit. Now, if we pull back, I will take an ad. But I'm just chilling right now. Apple has done, excuse me. Apple's the only one that's really done broke ORB. We in the best chart right now, guys. We up 12% right now, Apple puts. See if we can wig and get weaker. See what spot does. Stop loss is right up here at the top, the bottom of the ORB. We still up 12% on Apple puts. We want to see this wick. 9:51 on the clock. All right, we getting rejected. There's a lot of volatility in the market. This is why I'm not in full size. When the volatility is high, you don't want to go full size. Look at this shit. Getting rejected a little bit. All right. Come on, we need to pass this low right here. Come on, Apple. We still up 12%. Let's go. Get lower, Apple. SPY looks like it don't want to break that. We just chilling, guys. We might move towards the upside a little bit, but keep our stop loss the same. Stop loss is the bottom of ORB right here. Come on, break this low. There we go. Go ahead and break it. Had to test it real quick. Let's see if it tests it again. If it tests that low again, it's gonna go. All right, SPY getting rejected again. There goes Apple. There we go. There we go. We up 15%. Go ahead and drop. Go ahead and drop. Apple don't want to go. Apple SPY keeps retesting them highs. It doesn't want to go. So now SPY is rejecting. Apple should reject here in a second. There we go. Go ahead. It should move right now. It should move right now. We up 15%. Apple puts. There we go. There we go. 18%. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. 24%. Taking a trim, guys. Another trim. 23%. Let's go. I'm gonna move my stop down to this top of this consolidation right here. We up 24% on Apple puts. 24%. We need to see if SPY breaks this ORB right here. We up 28%. We might bounce back a little bit. I already took a trim. I'm only in runners now, so it's really a win-win from here. It's a win-win from here. If it comes back up to the top of this pullback right here, I'll get out. 20 seconds on this candle. We got 5 minutes until we move to the to the 5 minute chart. We up 28%. See if SPY breaks this low right here. There we go. There we go, Apple. Hell yeah. Yup, SPY about to break it. We up 28% right now. There we go. There we go, Apple. 31%. There we go. There we go. Let's go. 37%. Hell yeah. We hit their ass up. Oh shit. Let's go. 42%. All right, guys. I'm gonna take my 42% right there. I'm gonna take my 42% right there on runners. I know SPY probably about to bounce right now because we in a zone. I'm gonna take my 42% right there. I'm gonna exit and we'll find another entry, man. We do this shit every day. Y'all know how we do. I'm gonna take my 42% right there. 42%. Apple put. We good. Now SPY just broke ORB. QQQ just broke ORB. It's time to make some money now. Yes, sir. I kind of had to jump in that quick, man, because we reversed real quick. And when we did that, look, Apple probably at 50% by now. You gotta take your money, man. Take your money. I just took 39% with you. LFG, what that mean? What LFG mean? Let's fucking go. Oh, okay. Y'all know I'm a C average student. And we still get this money every day. What that dude was talking about? I'm in a shiesty. He said I'm in a shiesty. Where he at? Oh, there you go. Not the fake Jones. Not the fake Jones. Where you at? I just made more than a $20 an hour workday. Way more than $20 an hour workday in my shiesty hat. He said, I'm day trading in a shiesty. I done seen it all. Where he at? He probably gone now. And we do this shit every day. He don't know. Let's go. Y'all see that? Y'all see how we pulled back? This is why I took profit, because we was right here at 274 on SPY. You see that wick? We pulled back. That's why I got out. I already knew that's a weekly level. SPY's gonna retest the hell out of that weekly level. So we'll let it pull back. Let that shit do that. And then we'll take another trade. We do this shit every day. Who is that? Yeah, great exit. Great exit. I told y'all, man. I'm gonna let you know when to get out. I'm gonna let you know when to get in. I'm gonna let you know when the chart finna drop. Think about it. I've been looking at this shit for years. I see this shit all the time. I see the same setups. I'm like, all right, I know I've seen this before. This shit finna go. Just jump in, get your money, get out. Jump in where the money presents opportunity. New now, get ready. Oh yeah, I think it said new low. QQQ. Let me check QQQ real quick. QQQ 494.42. Oh, we're going back up. Ooh, oh, that's news. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. news. Ooh, I'm glad we exited. Oh man, it's 10 a.m. news. Hey, we moving to the 5-minute chart, guys. 5-minute chart. 10 a.m. news. Yes, sir. That's how you exit a play. Good shit, guys. Let me see. Ooh, Apple jumped all the way back. Imagine if we would have still been holding. Good shit. Good exit, man. This is how you got to work the Trump market. You have to exit when you get your money up. You have to exit when you up 30, 40%. You just got to get your money and get back in. I'd rather get my money and get back in than fucking take a L. Fuck that. Fuck that. Damn, news. Yep, 5-minute chart. So positive insights. So first 30 minutes of the market, I stay on the 2-minute chart. From 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., I go to the 5-minute chart. The only reason I do this is because it shows me less candles, can give me a clearer assumption of an entry, and it's just less confusion. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to see a whole bunch of 2-minute candles. I do want to see the first 30 minutes, so I can take a little early entry like we just did on Apple. I took a little early pullback, but yeah, I moved to the 5 minutes so it can show me less candles, give me better confirmations. And if you don't know the 5-minute chart, I love the 5-minute chart. I make my most profits on the 5-minute chart, no cap. But from 11 a.m. until the rest of the day, I use the 10-minute chart. I use the 10-minute chart because the moves aren't as quick as the morning. You know what I'm saying? So I use a 10-minute chart. Positive insights. All right, so SPY went up, got rejected. Let's see what happens right here. We're going to let the news fizzle out. Can't do nothing with that news. I wouldn't do nothing with that news. Pretty sure nobody thought we was finna shoot back up like that. Yeah, I'm glad we got out before that news. But we would have been looking sick. All right, let's see. Let's see what SPY does right here. That was a great first Apple trade. That was a great trade we took. I guess I'll break this down real quick until Apple fizzles out. I mean, SPY fizzles out, that news, all that. So the only reason I took this trade is because this was the only chart that had broke ORB. ORB is the 15-minute, is the first top and the bottom of a first 15-minute candle. That's what that is, ORB, right there. So as soon as we broke ORB, we actually retesting right now. It was on the 2-minute. As soon as we broke ORB, SPY was moving up, but I seen SPY got rejected real hard, and Apple was sitting right about around here. No, hell no. I took it right here. My bad. I took it right here. Apple was sitting right here, and I just caught the break of the ORB. That's all we did. We caught the break of the ORB. We held a little bit. I just caught the bottom, and we got out. When I seen SPY reaching this level right here, that 174. I mean, that 574 weekly level. That's a strong level that SPY can bounce back, and that's what happened. It looked like we pulling back right here. That 230 level on Apple is pretty strong. But let's see what happens right here. Still in ORB. Yep, we still in ORB. It went back in, so we just chilling. I normally only take breakouts of the ORB. Those are the trades you'll see me take. Those are the trades that I'm way comfortable taking because I've lost in the chop a lot. I've got chopped up, lost money. Y'all know how that shit go. And this ORB is a great way to avoid the chop. Great way to find out where the trend starts. Look at Amazon. Let's see if we push up this way. Just because you see a big green candle don't mean get in. Look at Tesla. Tesla got up above ORB. Retesting. Okay, Amazon. Where's Tesla? Let's look at Tesla right here. SPY get up above ORB in that 200 and retests, I'm going to definitely take an entry if we get up above that 578. Let's see. Damn, we got rejected again. SPY keep trying to get above 578. Quote of the day say Netflix and Tesla are trying to break. Yeah, I see that. Netflix. We'll look at Netflix. Oh shit, we pulling back. Hold up. We need to break, man. We need to break to 200. I want to load up Tesla calls, but I want SPY to break. Let's see, Tesla. All right, Tesla did the same thing yesterday. It went up to 284, but got rejected. Tesla contract hide in the mud. I like this SPY though. I'm watching this SPY. Damn. He said Netflix. Oh shit, Netflix then broke. Netflix already broke. I like the Tesla. Let me see what happened right here. All right, guys. I just took a feel on Tesla calls. I took the 290 calls. A little out of the money, but let's see what happened right here. My stop loss at the top of this ORB right here. Let's see. Stop loss by top of ORB. I probably take profits up here at the pre-market high. Let's see what happens. If we come back down to the bottom of ORB, I will exit. That's my stop loss. Let's see what happens right here. Said Meta. Okay, yeah, Meta breaking. We need to hold up above here. If we hold above, we should get a push. One minute on this candle. We down 10% right now. QQQ got to break this. QQQ needs to break this trend line also. All right, we rejecting a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Stop loss is the top of ORB. I will exit. if we break under. Just got to trade your setup. It's 4 seconds on this candle. All right. Let's see if we stay up above ORB right here. SPY needs to get up above that 200. All right, we rejecting. Let's see what happens here. See if we wick off. I'm gonna hold it a little bit. We down 18%. All right, we wicking off a little bit. Let's see if we can get a push. We need SPY above that 200. That's what we're waiting on. I'm gonna hold it a little bit right here. See if SPY can get a push. If I see weakness on SPY QQ, I'll exit. But SPY still trying to get up above. Kind of took an early entry, but it's all good. AVJO about to close above ORB. All right. Damn, we rejecting. See if we hold this 200 real quick. We still rejecting. That's the only reason I ain't exited. Down 19%. Also, like I said, my first entry is never a full entry. So I will hold my first entry a little bit longer just to see if we can get the move. If not, I'll take my small loss. That's why I keep my stop loss tight. But we bouncing. Still holding. Let's see. I'm only down 20%. Yeah, we getting rejected. All right, I'm out. I'm out of Tesla. Shit, kind of put me goddamn back break even on the day. Yeah, we keep getting rejected, man. It don't want to get up above that ORB. That shit put me right back break even from the first trade. It's all good though. It's still holding though, man. Look at this shit. He said AVGO. Broadcom. All right. I'm watching this SPY, man. SPY 579. SPY wants to get up there. Tesla's just fucking playing around. Yeah, Tesla's still game. Yeah, sometimes when they get up above ORB, you take an entry. That's why you keep that stock tight. Sometimes your plan won't work. Everybody know trading is not 100%. But we use our indicators and our levels to get us the best entries. See, everything's just up at the top of ORB, poking at it. Don't want to get up above it. I like this though, because if we keep holding this, get up above, you can get in right at the break. But we sitting at this trend line. That's why I exited too. SPY didn't even make it. I mean, Apple didn't even make another move down. She got rejected again. That was a great exit on Tesla. Yeah. SPY wants to push higher. See if we get rejected again. Last two 5-minute candles got wicked off right here. We need to get up above this 578. See what I'm saying? Even ABGO getting back rejected. And we close back under again. NVIDIA in a chop session. AMD in a chop session. Microsoft just got up above. Damn. Come on, SPY. Every time SPY gets rejected, everything else just gets rejected along with it. I want to take these Microsoft calls, but y'all see what SPY doing right now. Look at this shit. I don't like how SPY moving, man. SPY stuck in the range. You really can't take the plays you want if SPY and QQQ stuck in the range because you need the movement from the full market. You know what I'm saying? The thing about that's Microsoft up above yesterday's high. That shit should take off, but SPY is rejecting. You see what I'm saying? So Microsoft don't like that. So that's why I use SPY and QQQ to look over basically the whole entire market, show you where the majority of the movements are at. You know what I'm saying? But if we sit here just going back and down up in the range, that's a signal you don't want to take none of them trades that's up in them range. Now this AMD right here, but look at this AMD right here. God damn, AMD rejected. AMD rejected again. So if we keep getting weak like this, most definitely I would take puts, but I need SPY to give me confirmation. It just keep going up and down. You know what I'm saying? If AMD can break this consolidation, it might make a good move. But we stuck in ranges. We just going up and down. What was that first trade we took? Apple. Took Apple, was green on Apple puts. Took Tesla. That shit brought me right back break even. So we back break even right now. A little bit green, but I ain't gonna count it as no green. I'm break even. Really want to knock out a play right quick, but market don't want to give us the entry today. When the market is hard, you go easy. When the market is easy, you go hard. Right now, the market is sitting in between ranges. Don't want to move. That's when you go easy. See, I like AMD puts right now, but SPY. Yeah, AMD, yeah. I see it. I want to take it. If we break it, I'll take a light entry, and I'll just see what the fuck happens. But I'm watching AMD. I got AMD puts loaded up. AMD 99 puts. See, we going back up. Going back up in the range. Now we get rejected right here, we might start breaking down. But let's see what happens. It's 10:20 on the clock. We on the 5-minute chart. If we break this ORB right here with some momentum, I'll take a first entry on our AMD puts. But let's see. We need to break this. Shit, SPY need a break too, to be honest. Microsoft. Oh, you talking about toward the upside? Yeah, I seen that, but you see SPY going toward the downside. That's why I haven't took that trade. But I'm looking at AMD puts. All right, I just took a first entry on AMD puts. We up 5% right now. My stop loss is this 9 EMA right here. So right up above the last previous candle that just closed. Let's see if SPY wants to hold under here. If not, it's just gonna bounce again. I think my average was about 172, something like that. So if we get stopped out right here, the market, the market don't really want to move today. It don't really want to move today or this morning. Might make a good big move later. But let's see what happens, man. Only down 2% right now. We need SPY to keep moving down. It's just getting wick, just bouncing right back up. Look at this. Doing the same thing. My stop loss is this 9 EMA right here. Down 8%. Down 10%. Let's see. We about to touch this 9 EMA. If we don't wick off, if we get up above, I'll exit. This is one of those chop days, man. We just looking for a breakout. Choppy action this morning. But the good thing is you trade your setup, keep your stop losses tight. Don't go against your strategy, especially if your strategy has made you money. You know this shit. You know it works. You know what I'm saying? So you want to take your L. You just got to understand the market doesn't go your way every day. But the majority of the days, you want to play your setup. You want to hit on your setup. If you can play your setup and can tell, like the last 10 days, I've probably lost 2 days. the last 10 days. I've looked on my log. So I know that's what an 80% win chance, right? Trading the same setup. I do every day. So when you take 8 out of 10 wins, especially if you're playing with the same size, you're gonna have the same losses. You're gonna start seeing that the losses gonna look alike. Then the wins, you just want to keep your wins way bigger than the losses. That's how you want to play it. All right, we closed below the ORB on AMD. We are down 3%. Let's see what happens here. Y'all see that? SPY don't want to move off of it. SPY want to keep playing around. Choppy action early. Choppy action. Apple kind of went back down. AMD wicking off a little bit. It broke that 100 level again. That's why I was interested in it. Price action ain't going our way today, boy. Let's see if we can get some out of this. Let's go AMD. SPY. All right, we retested the ORB. We keep retesting. Hopefully we don't go back in. Look at this shit here. Stop loss this 9 EMA right here. I'm only down 5%, 7%. Down 7%. The boy said I was trading a shiesty. This ain't no shiesty, boy. This a do-rag. The boy said a shiesty. I wouldn't dare put no damn shiesty on. You basically telling everybody you hot. Yeah, market is weak, Mason. Market is weak. Market don't want to move today, man. It's weak and it don't want to drop off. But you see, we got weak action. That's why I'm still sitting in this AMD trade. That shit just chopping around. I'm probably gonna chop around all day. All right, we back break even. Sitting at break even right now. See if SPY pushes off. Yeah, man, we get a push off of here. I'm probably just gonna take my scalp. This is one of them days, guys. Choppy days. Look like it's about to make a move though, right here. All right, we up 2%. There we go. Let's see if we can break these lows. I don't know why the fuck. There we go. All right, AMD. Let's see. We up 2% right now. Going back in. The 574 level on SPY, man. That's the strong level. That's why SPY ain't moving. Then when it goes back up, it's trying to move past that 578. Those both are weekly levels. Strong weekly levels. That's why they don't want to get through those two levels. That's the range we're stuck in right now. We need to break the lows. That's why I don't want to move right now. But we'll wait through it, see if it wants to break. Apple, my stop loss is still the same. That 9 EMA right here. We got 46 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. Big rejection again. Everything's stuck in the range. That's how you know you're in some choppy. And the price just keep going up and down at the same level. Still closed on it. Let's say we flush right here. There it goes. Spot don't want to go, man. We need to grab liquidity first. All traps. 11 o'clock bottom. All right, we back break even AMD. All right, there we go. Let's see if we break down right here. See, on a good pricey action day, I would take an ad right here if we pass this counter that just got rejected, but I ain't gonna do it today because prices ain't moving our way today. So that's why I said you gotta be light. That's what I said at the beginning of the session. We got a lot of volatility in the market, so you want to be light. Look at this shit, man. Trying to see if we can get a push off of ORB right quick, but look like we going back in. I'm only down 2% right now. That's why I'm chilling, still holding. Yeah, it's gonna break eventually. That's why I'm waiting. That low gonna break it in a minute. Look at this shit, weak as hell right here. If we get up to this 9 MA, I'll take my L on the 9 MA. Yeah, we done retested ORP like 5 times. Yeah, I'm probably about to exit this break even here in a minute. I just want one push. Look at spot going back up. We still sitting at break even, guys. I'm probably about to exit break even, not gonna cap. But we keep getting rejected. This is what that chopper do to you. It make you think it's gonna make the move, it don't make the move eventually. All right, we green right now. Let's see if we break this low right here. It's that chop for your ass right here, boy. We just got stuck in it. I'm up 2% right now. Look at this. All right, I'm break even. I'm gonna get out of it. Damn. I exit it, man. I exit negative 3%. I ain't playing around with AMD, bro. Yeah, choppy day, man. Yeah, choppy action, man. Choppy action day. I'm a little green, but we broke even. We broke even on the day, man. I ain't even gonna count that as a green day. We ain't really make a move. Watch this shit go though. Let me watch this shit real quick. But yeah, but the first trade we took, look at this bullshit right here. The setup look good, man. It just ain't moving. Price action not moving today. Price action is not moving today. Yeah, man. I ain't playing with that. I'll wait till tomorrow. Get a fresh new set of charts. Fresh new day, man. It's choppy right now. But I will come back to the screen later about 1 see what's going on. But yeah, man, it's a choppy day in the market, man. We hit green on one. Tesla, we got an L, got a small, almost break even right now. AMD kind of put me back break even on the day. So choppy market, man. We ain't really nothing moving. Watch this shit move when this candle close. Watch this. Watch it go right here. Watch it go. No, I guess not. Only so many times it'll retest that ORB right there. So many times it gets rejected and it'll just flush. But don't want to make the move today, man. Don't want to make the move today. Yeah, it's tripping. That's how you know it's just a bad price action day. Just a bad price action day. Yeah, Mason is probably gonna dump. But you see SPY going back up in the ORB. Not nothing I'm finna play with today, man. So we'll be back tomorrow, man. We'll be back tomorrow. It's a little choppy action today. Um, y'all watch your risk if you get into any other trade. Hey, just be cautious. Usually when we don't really make the move in the morning, they usually make the move. When I say they, I'm talking about Wall Street. That's who basically controls the market. But they usually drop the market later in the day. So probably like 12-1. Come look at the chart. I bet you it's gonna make a big move later today. But I'm gonna call it a day for today. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:30 sharp. Y'all take it easy. It's your boy Clark, and I'm out of here.